Honor 9X Lite smartphone runs on Android v9.0 Pie operating system. The phone is powered by octa-core 2.2 GHz quad-core Cortex-A73 plus 1.7 GHz quad-core Cortex-A53 processor. It runs on the high-silicon Kirin 710 chipset. It has 4 GB RAM and 128 GB internal storage. Speaking of the specifications of the device, the store mentions that the Honor 9X Lite will sport a dual rear camera setup, 48MP, f1.8, 27mm wide, 1/2, 0.8 PDAF plus 2MP, f2.4 depth sensor, a bump up from the 20MP plus 2MP dual camera setup found on the Honor 8X device. At the front, the device will come with a 16MP selfie shooter with an f2.0 aperture. The device will measure 160.4 by 76.6 by 7.8 mm and will weigh in at 175 grams. Coming to the display of the device, the Honor 9X Lite will flaunt a 6.5-inch full-view display with a 91% screen-to-body ratio. The Honor 9X Lite will feature a Kirin 710 processor in its heart, and the same will be paired with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of native storage. We are not sure as to whether or not there will be scope for further storage expansion. A 3750 mAh battery will keep the lights of the Honor 9X Lite. For OS, the Honor 9X Lite will run on EMUI 9.0 out of the box, and it will be upgradable to Android 10 OS. Honor 9X Lite price. Honor 9X Lite smartphone price in India is likely to be $162, 11,999 rupees. Honor 9X Lite is rumored to be launched on April 9, 2020, unofficial. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.